Let's begin working with MorphoJ, the program that we're going to use to analyze our bare data. First of all, notice on the screen here that I have a text file which contains my information for about 95 bear dentaries, and these are black bears, polar bears, and grizzlies, and we can open that up. And I just want to show you what I've done there. This data set was randomized, and I have more landmarks than you do. I have 12 landmarks on the dentary, and then I've included some curves, and these curves go around the angular process. Now, the way I've set it up here, those curves aren't going to appear. If I remove these two rows right here where it says curve equal 1 and points equal 40, then I'll be able to use it. But for right now, we're just going to ignore all of that. And you'll notice what happens here. This is my my 0th image, right? So, and this is Mary, so it's Ursus maritinus, which is the polar bear. And I've also scaled these images, and we've not done that with your images yet. We will get to that point, but these are scaled, so each one is scaled to a particular size. And we're going to use that in a little while, not today, but in another lab. So here, these are all randomized, which means that I don't have to worry about the learning curve on placing the landmarks and so on. So it's just to show you what those data look like. And now what we want to do is we want to go to Google, and we want to get the program that we can use it. There we go. And let me just open up Google. Okay, there's Google, and all I'm going to do, I'm going to type in the search engine. I'm going to type in MorphoJ. I've already made sure that I can get it. There it is. And the very first one that pops up is MorphoJ, and it's in the Klingenberg lab. Don't try and download it from anywhere else. And there are some tutorial videos that you can use as well here. But this is the one you want. Just click on that. An important point here is that the program is not going to run on a Mac or an Apple product. So if you do have a Mac, then make sure that you have a DOS emulator or a Windows emulator, something like that. But you can simply, oh, well, I'll be dipped. They do have it for Macintosh, so I think it probably has embedded in it a Windows emulator. But you'll download it from Microsoft Windows. Just click on that and it'll install on your machine and you'll be ready to go.